Psychosocial relationship between physical exercise and endocrine therapy in post-mastectomy patients due to breast cancer. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Psychological status influences a lot on physical functioning. Poor mental health, along with a stressful life and lesser physical activity, can, to a larger extent, predispose to cancer. Regular physical activities can to a greater level of lowering the risk of breast cancer. While stressful living with anxiety can increase the risk of having breast cancer. An increasing prevalence of cancer was globally reported, especially in developing countries like India, and early identification is more productive and lessens the economic burden on the subject, family and society. Healthcare professionals who were involved as first contact healthcare experts, especially musculoskeletal experts like physiotherapists, physicians, and orthopedic surgeons, should be made aware of physical screening and associated psychosocial factors that could have a potential link for breast cancers, especially among women. Females with greater stress in life, having a systemic illness like hypertension, diabetes, having chronic polyarthralgia be continuously examined with physical, laboratory and due investigations exclusively for breast cancer once every 3 months. Every minor deviation from normalcy or suspicion is treated as a red flag and referred to experts. These clinical symptoms, like limbs getting stiffer, continuous pain over the spine with progressive movement restriction, changes in voice, and physical functioning with fatigue, were noted in a 60-year-old woman divorcee. The study aims to evaluate the psychosocial impact on breast cancer and to analyze the effects of exercises on subjects treated with HRT post-mastectomy. Since the age of 30 years with a highly stressful life, living with medication for hypertension, diabetes mellitus was referred by a physiotherapist to a gynecologist for her physiological changes as noted above on hematological and radiological examination revealed left ductal carcinoma of grade 3 was treated with left breast mastectomy and axillary clearance in February 2019. She was later treated with physiotherapy, and again the influence of HRT on the musculoskeletal system was analyzed with evidence. Physical inactivity with modern living can lead to many illnesses, including depression, with a twofold increased risk. Whereas subjects with good lifestyle habits were shown to reduce the risk for cancer. The research attempts at the early identification of breast carcinoma by the physiotherapist. Physical therapist involved in oncology needs a greater influence on psychosocial, lifestyle, and clinical conditions linked with the risk of BC. Further, post-mastectomy, the response to exercises with HRT was analyzed using due scientific evidence. Furthermore, updated evidence knowledge on HRT, the post-mastectomy effect of specific exercises, psychological support, and the limitation of each physiotherapy modality is paramount for patient benefit and professional betterment, as evidenced by this research. The findings of this research can be a newer chapter for one's physiotherapy to identify breast cancer clinically and update on exercise response with HRT. Limitations of this study are single experimental post-radical mastectomy and HRT treatment. Introduction. Breast cancer is one of the most common cancers in women, and stress, anxiety, and poor mental health may increase the chances of developing it. An unhealthy lifestyle, such as smoking, poor diet, lack of physical activity, and alcohol use, can also lead to physical changes in the body that may raise cancer risk. Each year, over 1 million women are diagnosed with breast cancer, and many lose their lives to the disease. After treatment like mastectomy, surgical removal of the breast, some women take hormone replacement therapy, HRT, such as tamoxifen, which can cause side effects like joint pain, weaker muscles, and lower bone strength. This study focuses on women aged 60 who have had a mastectomy and are on tamoxifen. It looks at how specific physical exercises can help them. Regular exercise has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, improve overall health, and help with the side effects of HRT, including joint pain and muscle weakness. The goal of this research is to understand how exercise can improve the quality of life in these women. The findings could lead to more focused care and future research to support breast cancer survivors in their recovery journey. Conclusion: physical therapist involved in oncology needs a greater influence on psychosocial, lifestyle, and clinical conditions linked with the risk of BC. Further, updated evidence knowledge on HRT, the post-mastectomy effect of specific exercises, psychological support, and the limitation of each physiotherapy modality is paramount for patient benefit and professional betterment, as evidenced by this research. Limitations of this study are single experimental post-radical mastectomy and HRT treatment. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.